Perfect for young homeowners and modern spaces, the VIVIDSTORM Floor-Rising Screen needs zero installation. Just set it on the floor, plug it in, and you're ready to go. Now upgraded with smart voice control, it frees you from fumbling for remotes. Just say the word and watch the screen rise like magic. Day or night, its ALR technology brings out stunning 3D, 4K, and even 8K visuals, perfectly matched to your projector for brilliant, high-contrast images in any lighting condition. Transform any room into a home theater in 30 seconds. Come and feel it.